Hi, I'm Jeff with Patrick Cadillac. We're here with the 2019 Cadillac XT5. As you can see from the front, it has the traditional Cadillac grille and headlights, and in the rear, very similar. You know it's a Cadillac when you see it coming down the road. Has a 3.6 liter engine in it, 310 horsepower, 8-speed transmission, excellent fuel economy on the highway, up to 30 miles per gallon. Hi, this is the back of the XT5. As I said, notice the tail lights. You have 30.5 cubic feet of cargo space back here. Also comes with a cargo cover and then a cargo management bar, so if there's stuff you don't want it sliding all over, you can put it in there and lock it into place. All right, as you can see, there's plenty of room in the back seat of this. I adjusted the front seat to where I would normally sit. So if I was sitting behind myself, I definitely have plenty of leg room here. You also have the panoramic roof, and it is available in 4 different trim levels: standard, luxury, premium luxury, and platinum. You notice you have the 8-inch touchscreen here. Have navigation. It's also available with the Android Apple CarPlay. That's your projection button. So once you plug into the USB port, you can project everything from your phone up here and use stuff on your phone and from up here instead of having to play with your phone while you're driving. Like I said, there are 4 trim levels. Tires start at 18 inches. You've got, as you go up, and you have options, 19 or 20-inch tires.